today in Gennady, and today I want to show you Gennady in 2025. It's June 10th. So I picked this day because I want to see how my good friend Luka is live performing here in Gennady, and also before we see that I will show you around. First I will start with the beach. Here are some great restaurants and some lovely apartments, and then we move to the Gennady center and hopefully catch evening nightlife here, which is awesome because I have seen Luka performs in videos, and he really can turn the heat up, so people are dancing and everything else. So let's get started. Let's look around what's here, what to do. And if you're coming this year to Gennady, then it's a charming little village which has some great authentic vibes. So let me show you. Right at the beach we have Gennady Beach Apartments. Very great location close to beach. They also have a restaurant here. But first let's start with Gennady Beach, because many great restaurants are here. So let me take a quick look. First we have Antoni's here. Really nice colors, welcoming sign, and it has a rustic feel. I know it's 7 p.m. at the moment. Kalispera. I'm making a video about Gennady.
Oh, of course. I was in the camera. Sorry.
Yes. No worries. So it looks like you can get fresh fish here. And you can make some great pictures. So it's kind of unique. I haven't seen such like painting on the wall. Really nice. Yes, very lovely base. Some great music. It's 7 p.m. at the moment, so not much people are at the beach. But people are gathering from hotels to restaurants, and this is one of them, Antoni's. Gennady has pebbly beaches, quite calm water, and as you see, they haven't like put up all the like umbrellas yet. It's at the beginning of June, but all the people are enjoying the beach already, and the coastline is, it was 7 kilometers if I'm not mistaken, so quite big area, and everyone can find a spot here. So let's see what else we have here. I think 1, 2, 3 or 4 restaurants are located on this beach. So let's see which one is this. Klimis Taverna, traditional taverna. Also you can get some shade here, sit near the beach, enjoy the view, and lovely. This Gennady has really like rustic and authentic vibe, and the village itself is really charming. I made a few videos about it, but usually when I go there are few people. But hopefully today I see how people came from hotels to eat in the local restaurants, and we can also catch some vibes. As you see, everyone can come here, just park your car here. Quite a big spot to park your car. Memories Taverna. They are quite similar to each other, but most of them offer fresh fish. And let's see, where can I access it? Great music, lots of room. It's also a great place to eat. I love when there is like not too many tables on the restaurant, because you have room to sit, you have room to talk with each other and so on. So it's really lovely. They don't like push it till the end to pack as many people as they can. Lovely, lovely. The sun is going down soon, in about 1 hour. So at the moment we can record during daytime. But I hope the camera picture will be okay during evening, because cameras don't do well in low light. So I hope that I can show you nightlife also, but expect to be less quality video during nighttime. So this is the road to the beach, and in about 500 meters there is a Gennady Center, and also before that I will show you where is the first aid point if you need any, and some apothekas. And also I want to show you the school, because they have a school here, and in my opinion it's totally different than we have in Estonia. I will explain it a little bit later. But yeah, this is the closest village to my home, and this is where I come for a post office or sometimes shop for like fruits and vegetables and ordinary shop. So here we have a first aid point, and this is where the ambulance usually parks if something happens to you in South Rodes. Then this is one point where ambulance is driving out. And 1 kilometer that way there is a Gennady Grand Hotel, which is a 5-star hotel, biggest one in close by. And this side is full of villas and everything. So if you're staying in that hotel, it's easy access with the bus to come to Gennady Center. And I just suggest to do that, because if you come out of the hotel, you can find the most amazing spots to eat local food or something. So here we have pharmacy during daytime. At the moment it's closed. So let's get across the road. We already have some restaurants here. Barber shop, restaurant. Here we can rent a car. Coral car rental. It should be the only one in Gennady. So it's a local family business. And if you want to rent a car, this is the closest option if you stay near Gennady. Opap is a local small like casino bingo room where you can buy tickets. You can do some shopping here, take out cash, and also motorbike like rentals if you're interested exploring roads with a scooter. So let's first go and I will show you the Sergio's Old Time Restaurant, which is right here. At the moment some people are here, but I hope more of them will come, because it's not like the right time at the moment yet. But I will show you later how it is when it's more busy. So one thing I wanted to show you is this is a school. Like all Greek schools are like this. A little bit reminds of Persian, but I tried to do some research, and what I found out that they have quite strict rules. Children who go to school, there is a mobile phone ban for them, so they can't take out mobile phones during the territory of the school or any school in Greece. And also I found out some info that in up to certain age parents must drop children to the school and also pick up them from the school, because they can't like wander alone. It's not because Greece is not safe, but there are some other reasons. I don't know. If you know, comment below this video. And this is our postal office. So basically, if I order something from Geotary, the post ends up here, and if it comes on Tuesday, then I have to wait another week to get my package, because they deliver on Mondays. So postal system in Greece is something that needs to be improved, but in time it will get better, I hope. So now let's go to the center of Gennady village and see you how it's like. People are already gathering. The Lab all-day bar restaurant. This is the place where most of the locals come to enjoy their coffee. But I try to park my scooter somewhere and walk from now on. We have also a bakery here, closest bakery to my home. So this reminds me that I have to buy a spinach feta pie to my wife, so I will go and do that soon. Here we have some taxi prices from Gennady. So the first restaurant we have in Gennady center is Sergio's Old Time Restaurant. Very nicely decorated. Cool old signs. You can sit outside. So you can get traditional food here, mostly some steak. Very nice place. So we have the Lab all-day bar. I can't get closer because of the copyrighted music. But this is where I see locals hang out, drink some coffee, socialize. Time out sandwiches and coffee right here. At the moment it's closed. Also we have a tourist shop right here. So all kind of beach stuff, sunglasses, and next to it is fruits. So here we have also South Bakery, one of our favorite bakeries, because it's close by. And we come here all the time if we need something sweet, as you see. Many options, from ice creams, cakes, to different sandwiches, and also all kind of Greek pies, so they are all very tasty. But today I'm looking for spinach feta pie for my wife, special request, so let's do that. Hello.
Hello.
Can I have one feta spinach pie, please? Thank you, bye. Feta cheese pie. We got it. Now everything will be okay. Let's have a walk when we still have some light, so you can see something. And on the left I have Ia Grandma Streets, where you can buy some different, like handmade, like earrings, everything. So it's really cool shop. So you can find some gifts and some tourist, like handmade things from here. So this place is cool. I have bought from here and I'm really happy. So here we have Pessa's Corner, where you can have breakfast, snack and grill, and also sandwiches and gyros. So hello. So this was the first one on this street, and most of the restaurants are located here all together. Here we have Amatia all-day restaurant and cafe. At the moment it's closed, I think it's this, because I have visited Mama's Kitchen. I really loved it, and every time I come to Gennady I usually end up here, because they have a great menu. You can find everything from here, and food is also very good. So let me peek inside for a quick view. So lots of tables, great setups, and lovely people are serving here. So Mama's Kitchen, and also they offer delivery and takeaway if you stay in a hotel. Next one we have Temptation Taverna. I really like these colors, and they also have a live music, Greek night on Mondays starting at 7 p.m.
Hello.
Hello.
Would you like to come in?
No, I'm just making a video at the moment.
Okay, all
yes.
right.
Thank you. So I will take a quick look.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, please.
I'm making a quick video just to show this place.
Of course,
yes.
Yeah, just give me so I open also the lights.
That's okay. So you can find many tables here. Nice Greek music. Lovely atmosphere. So you can feel Greek here. And they also offer takeaways and reservations. So if you're staying in hotel, it's a good option. it's too bad that every time I come here, I come during daytime. So most of the restaurants are closed. So I don't have many options to choose from. But when I do, then I can usually use Mama's Kitchen, which is open, and also Sorvas Taverna. So this is Sorvas Taverna. It should be a franchise all over Greece. So they always have good food. And if I go on another island and I see Sorvas, then I know it's safe to go there to get a great meal. So I love the colors. A little bit few room sometimes, but it's worth a visit. So what we have here, you can buy cannabis ice cream here, waffles and crepes, so sweethearts, sweets and more. And on the left we have Antika. Antika is the place where Luka is performing tonight. So here he is. So we will see this guy today.
You are armed!
So Antika, we will show you later how he performs. But Corku Taulos, this is also a place where you can get some drinks, handcrafted beer, live music every Thursday, 9 p.m. We have some boutique shops here, Mataki. Let's peek inside quickly. Hello, boutique shops here. So lots of, you can find some shopping. Next one we have welcome to Nikos and Maria's souvlaki place. So you can get souvlaki, meat, all kind of Greek food, I assume. So lovely setup. And I already feel the smell of meat. So this is awesome and hard to be here if you smell meat and you just ate. So yes, let's wait when the sun goes down and see what Luka can bring to the table.